Think you're good at Tetris? Try loading a pallet that has to survive hundreds of miles in a truck. Here are 5 freight packing rules that work for pallets, moving boxes, storage units, and even your car before a road trip. First, heavy items go on the bottom, unless you want gravity reorganizing everything for you. Second, eliminate empty space. Items that can move will move, and usually in the least convenient direction possible. Third, keep the weight balanced. A stack that leans before it leaves probably isn't going to improve during transit. Fourth, protect the corners. They take more abuse than almost any other part of a shipment. And fifth, secure everything as if the road ahead includes a pothole the size of Rhode Island. Good packing isn't about making something look neat. It's about making sure everything arrives the way it left. That's today's Wednesday with Whitewater. Freight without the surprises.